しもし。
Hey, it's Kay. Hope you're feeling cute today. Today we're going to explore Yokohama, the second largest city in Japan. First stop is the Shin Yokohama Ramen Museum. Home to a number of ramen shops, each with its unique flavor and style. It was a culinary adventure like no other. As soon as we walked in, the aroma of delicious noodles filled the air. Our original plan was to try more than one bowl of ramen from different vendors. But the serving for the first bowl that we had was so big that we got full really quickly. The place was such a cute adventure. It was designed to look like alleyways from old streets of Japan. There was also this one ice cream shop that had really cute retro decorations, and of course we had matcha ice cream and melon soda. Next, we headed to the Shinbang Anime Store. Like thrifting, I find that second-hand anime stores have such good deals, and it's much more sustainable and affordable than buying new ones.
Pwede na transition yun.
Hi, where are you?
Saan na tayo?
Hi, so right now we're in Yokohama to go to Gundam Factory. So earlier we ate at the Ramen Museum in Shin Yokohama, and we only ate one ramen because the lines were so long. And we also had dessert,
What dessert?
melon soda for the nth time.
Only in.
Only in Japan. So if you're in Japan, you should try the melon soda 100 times. Then came the highlight of the day, the Gundam Factory. Witnessing the iconic Gundam robot in all its glory was so cool. We also got to go up to the observatory deck to see the top of the Gundam. The view from up there was breathtaking, overlooking the entire city of Yokohama. However, I actually prefer looking at the Gundam from below, so if you just want to have a chill afternoon looking at the giant Gundam, you can also sit at the cafe beside the shop and enjoy some cute and yummy snacks. As the sun began to set, we made our way to the Yokohama Bay. The city lights reflected on the water, creating such a mesmerizing sight. Walking along the bay, we couldn't help but feel grateful for this unforgettable experience. And of course, we couldn't leave Yokohama without visiting Cosmo World and riding the iconic Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris wheel. The colorful lights illuminated the night sky as we soared high above the city. Feeling a sense of joy and a bit of sepangs because Art Japan 2023 trip was about to end. Today is our last full day here in Japan and we're going home tomorrow. Ang sad. Grabe, parang lumipas lang yung 22 days. But we did so many things and I think there are still a lot more that we want to do, but that's more reason to come back. And yeah, headlong. As I reflect on my time in Japan, my heart feels so full, and of course I feel very thankful for the memories that I made here with Carl and of course the adventures that we shared as well. But like all good things, some adventures end to make room and money for new ones. This is the last episode of the Japan 2023 Diaries, and I'm so thankful that I got to share some of my favorite memories with you guys. For those who have been there since day one, thank you. And even if you just watched a few videos, still, thank you. I appreciate all of you for being part of this big adventure. Now, on to the next one.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, 'cause you could tell